What's up, third grade? Hi. Well, during our lessons this week, we were learning about equivalent fractions. Yesterday, we talked about finding equivalent fractions on a number line. We also talked about finding equivalent fractions using bar models. Let's look at these bar models right now. Here they are. Let's look at the top bar model. What's the equivalent, what's the fraction that represents the shaded parts? Well, I first need to see how many total parts there are and put it in the denominator. Then in the numerator, I put the number of shaded parts, which is 2. So my fraction here is 2/3. Let's look at my second bar model. Okay, how many total parts are there? 2, 4, 6. There are 6 total parts, so I have to put that in the denominator. What do I put in the numerator? I have to put the number of shaded parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And I read that fraction as 4/6. All right, let's look at the third bar model right here. How many total parts do I have? Well, let's count by threes. 3, 6, 9. 9 total parts, and I put that where? In the denominator. What do I put in the numerator? I have to put the number of blue parts, which is 3, 6. So it's 6. How do I read that fraction? 6/9. And finally, let's look at the last bar model here. How many total parts do I have? Well, let's count by fours. 4, 8, 12. So I put the 12 in the denominator. What do I put in the numerator? It's the number of shaded parts. 4, 6. So 4, 8. 4, 8. And how do I read this fraction? 8/12. Now, I can see that, well, can you find any equivalent fractions here? We can, right? There are 4 equivalent fractions because it looks like with the first bar model, the second bar model, the third bar model, the fourth bar model, all represent the same part of the whole that's shaded, right? It's the same size. Okay, so 2/3, 4/6, 6/9, and 8/12 are known as equivalent fractions. You can also write it like this. 2/3 is equal to 4/6, which is equal to 6/9, which is equal to 8/12. Or you can also say equivalent. 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6, which is equivalent to 6/9, which is equivalent to 8/12. All right. Now, instead of just using the bar model, we're going to also use multiplication to help us find equivalent fractions. Let's look at the example that we just did. Okay. Now, there's another way to find an equivalent fraction. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Let's see what this friend here is talking about. So I have my fraction 2/3. My numerator is 2, my denominator is 3. Let's multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2 and see what we get. Okay, so first let's multiply the numerator by 2 and you get 4. let's multiply the denominator here, 3 by 2, and you get 6. Is 2/3 and 4/6, are they equivalent fractions? Well, let's look back at the bar model. There's 2/3, and here's 4/6. They are equivalent fractions. So what this friend tells us is true. Let's try another one. So I have my fraction 2/3, and I'm going to multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. Let's see what we get. First, let's multiply the numerator by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, let's multiply the denominator by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So I have 2/3 is equivalent to 6/9. Is this true? Well, let's look at the bar models to confirm. So 2/3 is there in the bar model picture. And where's 6/9? There it is. They are equivalent fractions. So this is true too. Let's just try one more example. So I have my fractions 2/3, which is equivalent to 8/12 right here, right? And I can see in my bar model that it is true, they are equivalent. But what did I multiply 2 by to get 8? What did I multiply 3 by to get 8? Is it the same number? Let's see. 2 times what gets you 8? Oh, it's 4. 2 times 4 gets you 8. Let's look here in the denominator. 3 times what gets you 12? 3 times 4 gets you 12. Look, we multiply the numerator by 4 and the denominator by 4, and we got 8/12. 2/3 and 8/12 are equivalent fractions. So what this friend tells us is true. We can find equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Yeah. All right. Please pause the video and use the bar models to find equivalent fractions. Okay, see you soon. Hi again. Let's see what you got. Well, I see my 1/7 is represented by this purple bar model, okay? Because there's 7 total parts and there's 1 shaded part. Now, let's look at this bar model in the middle, okay? With the blue shaded parts. What are the total parts? Well, let's count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 14 are my total parts, and that should go in the denominator. And my numerator will be 2 because it's the number of shaded parts. So my fraction here is read as 2/14. Let's look at the third bar model here at the bottom. How many total parts do you see? Well, let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. There's 21 total parts, so I have to write that in the denominator. And what do I write in the numerator? The number of shaded parts, which is 3. So 1/7 is equivalent to 2/14, which is equivalent to 3/21, because I see that the shaded parts for each of the bar models represents the same parts of the whole. Cool. Okay, this is our last guided practice for today. So why don't you try it on your own? I will be waiting. Hi, let's check what you have. Okay, so now instead of using the bar model, we're going to just use multiplication to find the equivalent fraction. Okay, when I multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, I can also find equivalent fractions. Okay, so here I'm going to multiply the numerator by 2 and I get 2/14. Okay, and or I get 2, so 1 times 2 is 2, and then I'm going to multiply the denominator by 2, 7 times 2, and I get 14. So 1/7 is equivalent to 2/14. Let's look at this example here. Okay, so we're multiplying the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. 1 times 3 is what? It's 3. 7 times 3 is what? It's 21. So 1/7 is equivalent to 3/21. So here is, you can also write it like this for these two. 1/7 is equivalent to 2/14, which is equivalent to 3/21. Okay. All right. And is this true? Yes, it's true because we found the exact same equivalent fraction by using the bar models. Oh yeah. I think you guys are becoming fraction masters. Keep up the good work. Keep practicing. I think using the vocabulary, numerator and denominator might take some time to get used to. Also, using the vocabulary equivalent fractions might get some time, to get used to. So it's okay. Just keep practicing, okay? And you'll get better and better. All right, that's all for today. I will see you on Thursday during our live class. Bye.